Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn in how to add a logo to your Odoo website. So first thing they should do is you just have to open your Odoo account and then proceed to your website. So once you're here, just have to edit your website. And then you have here now your logo section at the top left of your screen. So it depends on you and where you're going to put your logo. So after that, you just have to double tap this one or double click to edit. Now, all you have to do here is to search an image. So for example, clothing brand, right? So you just have to search for that specific logo that you want to use. And of course, since this is your business brand, so all you have to do is to click on this upload an image, or you can also add a URL. So if you're going to select the upload an image, you will be redirected to your computer file. So here, just have to select the logo that you want to upload and then click on open. So for example, I'm just going to select a random image right here, and then after that, you just have to click on that upload option. And then you'd be able to see here now your logo at the top left of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.